Hello bitch. My name is Lindsay, what is yours?
¿Qué? What the fuck? ¿Quién eres, puta?
Excuse me bitch? You wanna be a basic bitch, then you can flop out of my studio.
Oh. Puedo ver Rusia desde mi casa. ¿Qué te puedes ver en la cárcel, puta?
The fuck you just call me you slut. You wanna mess with me, I'll pull a power drill out of my pussy and drill a hole through your arctic pussy. And after I do, that I will eat your asshole like you hid in some good as fuck coke up in that bitch.
Eres muy básico. Por favor, ir a comer una vagina lesbiana. Y cuando haya terminado de comer un coño, puedes ir lamer el pene de un delfín.
Bitch, shut the fuck up. I'm going to read a poem about a pussy epidemic, if you're ready. A public service announcement that's way overdue, intended for the attention of brothers and C-stars that don't know how serious this issue really is. Ladies, we are in the midst of an epidemic of nope, that's right, NOPE, which stands for negative offbeat pussy eaters with the nervy occasional pussy eating, where some invite you to their negligent offensive pussy eateries aka nasty ass homes, but nevertheless, it's time to rectify this mass dilemma, and eat this pussy. Don't dance around the subject, giving side licks and a thigh kiss, we grown folk. Fuckering around the rosy, treat my kitty like a pussy, take a whiff then get going. Come eat this pussy, you see, my girl smells like freshly baked cookies straight on house, so come and kiss these lips to watch me roll bounce on your mustache, fuck around, and I'll talk about you while you're down there. Maybe that'll lump you up a bit, say things to you like bitch don't dab it like a powder puff, you better wear my legs as earmuffs and eat this pussy. I mean, okay, you work all day or hustle or whatever and you want to be cut a little slack, man, fuck that. This is war. And if you want your commanding officer to receive proper attention, while at attention you take direction, shut the fuck up and eat this pussy. What you need to do requires no speech at all, or whining or negotiating like, I'm saying where mine at? And, man, you know I don't do that. Or, what you mean, Keisha, old man love to do that, so what, who dirt? I can work a full shift, then go out here your bullshit, and show out, make up with you, keep my head game tight, and have your whole dick blown out. I take care of mine to the fullest, while you're still sucking your thumb. Meanwhile I got a dripping wet cougar, not a cat. Fuck that and she'll rip your ass to shreds. If you look her in the den, don't come correct to eat this pussy. See, I'm mad now, because you can be daddy long stroke all day, but if you go down inexperienced and bite me, you gon' have to fight me, because this is bullshit. I am not trying to put you on blast, but you need to knock this wart out the frame before your dick even enters the picture, you feel me? And if not, you better, because that's the only way you'll see that glorious arch from that wonderful angle shit. You think clit rings are for nothing? You think we just want to bid as a last snatch? Fuck no. It's to make your job easier, don't treat it like an occupational hazard. Come eat this pussy, you say you're so hood, so you're much too good to even have to do it. You can be the baddest motherfucker ever on your block, the best rapper alive, the sexiest dude ever seen, the thickest dick around, make the money and party the hardest. But when that light goes click, you better suck this clit and love it. If you got a little tongue, flick it fast, big tang. Make it last thick and long, tunch, then say hello to my ass. In closing, I'll say we love to gush from the thought of you making us gush. We love to get it so good that we run away so you can snatch us back. Shit. Make us cry. Do it and watch what happens. We don't want cunnilingus or teasing fingers. We want that tongue lapping feeling that your lips give us. This applies to women with that acquired taste. You see, you have the proper equipment, so do the job correctly and all together. Now eat this pussy.
Eres loca. Ea tu wrong pussy.
And that's that piece.